We're opening the exhibition. The name of the exhibition is Sons of the Shaman.
It's actually a spiritual concept that talks about the individuality of human mentality or mindset, because we should know by religion or by the concept of the universe, we are not just ordinary personality. We have spirit, we have soul, and we have body. So I think the world has forgotten about this part within us. So that's the reason why we came up with this idea of doing something called Sons of Shaman, because we are all sons of Shaman.
Мен әрбір сурет жұмбақ ретінде қабылдансын деп жоспарладым. Сондықтан бұл символдар және образдар, олар маған әлем бойынша және уақыт бойынша саяхат жасауға мүмкіндік береді.